Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you along on a calm, beautiful, and refreshing day that was just perfect for a little plant shopping adventure. If you have been thinking about adding some green magic to your home, this video is going to give you all the vibes, tips, and plant inspiration you need. Here are some highlights with my kitty moseying around along with the plants. It was one of those bright, sunny mornings where everything just feels right. The sky was clear, and I knew it was the perfect day to visit a garden center and find some new plant babies for my home. Nothing beats a slow morning with coffee in hand and plants on your mind, right? So I got ready, grabbed my bag, and headed out with one goal in mind: to find the perfect plants, whether indoor and outdoor, that would bring life, color, and positive energy into my space. And for this purpose, my stop was, of course, Terra Greenhouse in Milton. It's literally a cozy, peaceful place filled with everything from tiny succulents to tall, leafy tropical plants. In the minute I walked in, I was greeted by the smell of fresh soil, the sight of blooming flowers, and rows upon rows of green friends waving hello. I took my time strolling around, soaking in the natural beauty. It's honestly so therapeutic. If you are into lifestyle, vlogs, and love slow aesthetic days with nature, places like this are absolute gems. I walked through their tropical section, admired the vibrant leaves of the monstras, and took in the sweet smell of jasmine wafting through the air. The outdoor garden section was glowing under the sun, with citrus trees, herbs, and flowering plants all lined up in the perfect rows. The layout is gorgeous. Yes, the layout is gorgeous, and there is just so much to explore. From hanging plants to rare house plants, and everything in between. It's truly a plant lover's paradise. After much roaming and several rounds of indecision, I finally narrowed down my choices and picked up a lovely set of plants that I knew would bring character and calmness to my home. A stunning orchid with delicate blue and white blooms, perfect for my coffee table. A bold and dramatic monstera, its huge split leaves will live happily in a bright corner of my living room. A tropical banana leaf plant I just love the jungle vibe it gives, and a fresh lemon plant. Because what's better than a plant that looks good and smells amazing? A classic money plant because we could all use a little prosperity and greenery. And finally, a fragrant jasmine plant. Its tiny flowers and lovely scent are just magical, especially in the evenings. Each of these plants has a personality of its own, and I was so excited to give them all a place in my home. I have this monstera from a few years back, and it gets plenty of natural light. It's the perfect spot and it's growing beautifully. And honestly speaking, it brings so much energy to the space. And just beside that, I put lemon plant. Actually, I will put it somewhere else, but right now I'm just putting it here so it will get the sun. I love this plant. It just makes me happy. Seriously, I go up and down on these stairs 50 times a day. And at night, with the breeze and subtle fragrance, it creates the dreamiest, most peaceful vibe. My money plant is hanging around here too. It's said to bring good luck, and even if it doesn't, it's such a calming presence. And we could all use a little prosperity and greenery as well. I already have few of these plants from last couple of years and they are growing beautifully. This stunning orchid with delicate blooms, perfect for my coffee table. Check out the pose of my kitty. And yes, I placed the banana leaf plant near the side door, and it's tall, bold, and makes a beautiful statement the moment you walk in. That wraps up my little plant shopping adventure. I hope this video gave you some ideas and inspiration for your own home. Do not forget to subscribe for more lifestyle content, travel adventures, home styling tip, and real life moments from my world. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep growing.